Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar. Lady Gaga, she released songs recently, and this one is one of them, The Joker. Wow, cool song, a little bit different. We're gonna cover it on guitar. Everything is doable on guitar, pretty much. So, yeah, a challenge. Let's do this together. We have a capo set on the first fret, that's it. We have the best scenario with that, and we have to go over a couple of chords. They are 6, 7, 8 chords actually. So let's take a look at the chords starting with C. Okay, that goes third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have E minor, and that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have the F sharp chord. That's a bar chord. When you play the bar on the second fret, you cover all strings there, and then you need to add fourth on A, fourth on D, and second on G. Sorry, third on G. That's the F sharp. You take the very same grip and move it one string down pretty much, and you land on the B minor. So what you do here is to bar 5 strings from bottom up, okay? And then you need to add fourth on D, fourth on G, and third on B. So F sharp and B minor, very same, pretty much one string down only. That's the F sharp and B minor. Over to D now. And that goes som i röst, röv. And over to D now. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Okay, so we have a couple chord more left to go over. We have the G, and that is to play third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the C major 7, very similar to C. What you do here from C is just to take away the first B and get that open instead. Everything else is the same. And then finally we have the C sharp minor. Okay, so you have a bar chord again. This time you have the bar on the 4th fret. You bar 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Alright, so we're gonna start with the first verse here, and that is a picking pattern. So if you grab the B minor chord, okay, so hold that one, you're gonna play like this. It's actually from the chord only. So you're gonna play second A, fourth D, fourth G, third B, fourth G, and back to fourth D. Then third B and fourth G. That is a pattern we're gonna use here in this first verse. So slowly. Okay, the next chord is a D, but we'll hold it in a different way. So if you keep that bar there on the 2nd fret from the B minor, and you keep also the 4th fret D string from the B minor, keep that, and you go up with the little pinky on the 5th fret A string. There you have the grip for the D pattern in this specific part of the song, the first verse. So you're gonna play this. So that is to play 5th on A, 4th on D, 2nd on G, 2nd on B, back to 2nd on G, 4th D, then 2nd B, and 2nd G. Slowly. We have next the G chord, and it's enough to just hold the 3rd fret on the E string like this. Everything else is open, and it goes like this. So that gives us 3rd on E, then open D, open G, open B, back to open G, open D, and then open B, and open G. You see the pattern are the same, just different grips. Slowly goes like this. Then we have the final chord in the first round. Okay, so we have this about 3 rounds. This is the first round only. And you're gonna hold this E minor. That's the final chord here. That is to play open E string in the bass, then second A, second D, open G, back to second D, and second A, then open G, and second D. Slowly. That is the end of the first round. The second round, you're going to play B minor, D, and G in the same way. And the last chord now, instead of E minor, you're going to play the F sharp. So you hold the chord as it is. Okay, and then you're going to play the same pattern as before for all the other chords. And that will be second on E, fourth A, fourth D, third on G, back to fourth D, back to fourth A, and then third G and fourth D. That's the end of the second round. The third round is playing exact same way as the first round. So you have B minor, D, G, and E minor. And once you play that now, the first three rounds, you're gonna come into the fourth round, which is not about picking anymore, just straight down. So you're gonna go to C chord and play two downs like that, and big pause in between there. And then you're gonna go and play 8 fast downs on E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 9 downs on the F sharp. Okay, so 9 downs, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then a big pause that takes us into the pre-chorus. So, okay, and that is the end of the verse. So a long verse here. You're gonna play the picking pattern for the first 3 rounds. B minor, D, G, E minor. That is played for the first and third round. The second round in between there is B minor, D, G, and the F sharp. And then in fourth round, you're gonna play 2 downs on C, then 8 downs on E minor, and 9 downs on the F sharp plus a big pause. That pause takes us into the first pre-chorus. And that's in the lyrics where they sing, they don't care as long as there's a gesture, okay? So that is how you know where you are in the song here. That's the lyrics. So you're gonna play the famous part of the song, the pretty much the main part, what I in my belief, and that will be the F sharp to D to B minor. It goes like this. Okay? That is one round. So you're gonna play 3 downs on the F sharp, 1 down on D, and 1 down on B minor. That is one round. You're gonna play that for 7 rounds. And then on the 8th round, you're gonna play F sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Again, the 9 downs on the F sharp. That's the end of the pre-chorus. So 7 rounds of this. That was 4 rounds. You play that for 7 rounds, and on the 8th round, you're gonna play 9 downs plus a big pause. Okay, that is a pre-chorus. Now into the chorus, and now you're gonna switch or alternate between the 2 chords G and B minor, and you're gonna play like this. That is 1 round. So you're gonna play it for 4 rounds, and you're gonna play G, down, 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 down. And the same for B minor, down, 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 down. And that is 1 round. So, 4 rounds of that, and that is the first round, all right? So verse, pre-chorus, and first chorus. Into the second verse now. What you're gonna play here is to start with the pre-chorus play. Remember, the F sharp, D to B minor, like this. That you're gonna play for 8 rounds, okay? And after that, you're gonna play 1 down on B minor, 1 down on D, 1 down on G, and then you're gonna start to chewing, okay, the 8 fast downs. You're gonna play that for the E minor, then for the C major 7, all right? Then for the C, then for the C sharp minor, and then for the F sharp. And that is the end of the second verse. Okay, so just to summarize the second verse, it was to play the pre-chorus for 8 rounds, the pre-chorus play, and then 1 down on B minor, D, and G, and then 8 fast downs on the following chords: E minor, C major, C, C sharp minor, and F sharp. Okay, so into the second pre-chorus now. That is played exact in the same way as the first one. 8 rounds of the famous. All right. That is the second pre-chorus, and then the second chorus is played in the exact same way as the first one. So G and B minor, alternate that for 4 rounds. The final part of the song is the outro, and you know what? You're gonna play 8 full rounds of that pre-chorus. So not the F sharp in the end there with the 9 fast downs, just 8 full rounds of the playing with the strumming, and that will be the end for Lady Gaga's The Joker. Cool song, all right? Bit heavy, and if you watch the movie, you understand it. So hope you enjoyed it, guys, and yeah, I work a lot for you guys, so I hope you can give me something back. If you subscribe to this channel, that would mean a lot for me, and you've already done that, then feel free to support me. Hit the like on this tutorial, and hope to see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.